Hello, friends. Welcome back. I'm Kaushik, and you are watching Kaushik Nag Chaudhary vlog. Today is 19th December 2021, Sunday. It's very interesting to note that the liberation of Goa is celebrated on 19th December every year. On this date in the year 1961, Goa was liberated from the Portuguese dominion after army operation and extended freedom movement. This day is celebrated in commemoration of the Indian Armed Forces that helped Goa to receive freedom from the Portuguese rule. गोवा मुक्ति दिवस हर साल 19 दिसंबर को मनाया जाता है क्योंकि गोवा उस दिन 1961 में पोर्चुगीज शासन से मुक्त हुआ था। भारत को स्वतंत्रता मिलने के बाद भी पोर्चुगीज ने गोवा पर अपना अधिकार छोड़ने से इनकार कर दिया। फाइनली ऑन 19 दिसंबर 1961 भारत ने पोर्चुगीज से गोवा को जीत लिया और गोवा भारत का हिस्सा बन गया। और फाइनली वो दिन आ ही गया। Yes, today I'll be leaving my homeland, my hometown, my family members. 2 साल बाद घर वापस आया था, लेकिन आज फिर दिल्ली लौटना पड़ रहा है। It's a very tragic moment. It's a very emotional moment for me. I know that I have to go back. I have to work. But how can I leave the Ma, Jiju, who love me like anything? I don't know. At the time of the departure, how I'll react, I don't know. But I'm feeling very sorry. Anyway, I have started this vlog from Kolkata and hopefully it will be ending in Delhi, and definitely I'll be sharing the whole day with you. खिड़की की ओर देखो, बाहर धूप है, मुझे पर्दा खोलने दो। ये सुंदर दिखता है, ये पौधा कितना सुंदर लग रहा है, और ये छोटा सा बगीचा, सो ब्यूटीफुल इट इज। सब कुछ सुंदर दिखता है, लेकिन इन्हें छोड़ के मुझे आज जाना पड़ेगा। वो मेरी आंखों के सामने नहीं होंगे, वो मेरी यादों में होंगे, मेरी यादों में। This is my today's breakfast. Bread butter toast, egg poach, coffee, and this is a special sweet dish called patishapta made at home. I'll be definitely sharing this recipe with you. You can try it. It is very tasty to eat. So let me eat my breakfast and then again I'll be back. So friends, अभी मैं मिठाई खरीदने जा रहा हूँ। दिल्ली में कोलकाता का मिठाई बहुत मिस करता हूँ, इसीलिए मिठाई यहाँ से ख़रीद के ले जाऊँगा। और वहाँ पे मेरा और भी जान पहचाना है जिसके लिए भी मैं मिठाई ख़रीदूँगा। तो चलिए मेरे साथ मिठाई का दुकान में, देखते हैं कौन सा मिठाई खरीद रहा हूँ। This is Radheshyam Sweets, a famous sweet shop in Behala, and I have come here to buy the sweets. Look at the mouth-watering sweets being displayed. Wow, it's really mouth-watering. And I'm buying these sweets. The sweets are getting packed for me. मिठाई खरीद के घर वापस आ रहा हूँ. These cooking food, and in the midway we have given ourselves a short break and we are having tea. I have come back just now from the sweet shop and now I'll be also drinking tea. It's already now 2 o'clock and I'll be going out at 3:30. So Dee has cooked a very simple lunch today, and over here Ma will be eating first. So Dee is serving মাছের ঝোল, and now we'll also be eating the lunch. We are eating our lunch now. Didi is serving food. You can see Didi, Jiju and Ma eating, and I'll be eating also. So today it's a very simple lunch, as because everybody is in a sad mood, as because I'm leaving for Delhi. Didi is making dinner for me so that I can eat in the train. Now it's the final time for departure. My bags are packed. We'll be going out very shortly. So friends, we are already on the way to Sialda station, and Didi, Ma and Jiju, they are all going to the station to see me off. We have reached Sialda station, now walking towards the station to go into the platform. दीदी की हाथ में मेरा वो गाला झाड़ू, बोला था सुमित्रा ने खरीद के लेके आया, वही गाला झाड़ू दीदी कैरी कर रही है मेरे लिए, और हम प्लेटफॉर्म के ओर जा रहे हैं. माई ट्रेन विच विल टेक मी टू दिल्ली. जीजू हैज़ ऑलरेडी गॉन इनसाइड विथ माई लगेज एंड नाउ दीदी इज गेटिंग इनसाइड. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम ऑलरेडी इनसाइड द ट्रेन and Dee sitting over here, and I've got a lower berth, so it's good for me. दोस्तों, मैं बाहर दिखा रहा हूँ, पूरा अंधेरा हो गया, लेकिन ज़्यादा अच्छा से दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है क्योंकि अंदर का रिफ्लेक्शन ज़्यादा आ रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी आई एम ट्राइंग टू शो यू इट हैज़ बिकम एब्सोल्युटली डार्क. दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ द AC compartment. you can't see anything outside. Still, I tried to show you the outside scenery of darkness, and you can see I'm still wearing the mask because you know it very well that it is Corona time, so nobody wants to take the risk. It's getting a little bit problematic to wear the mask for all the time, but still I'm trying. Let's see how long can I wear it. And I'm dying for tea now, but still I'm not getting anyone. I'm in any tea seller, so let's see if anybody comes from the pantry. I'll have tea, so I'm waiting for the tea passionately.